In this video, I am going to discuss a problem from previous university question of K2 Basic Electrical based on RMS and average value. And here a waveform is given and the question is to find form factor of the given waveform. So we know that to find form factor, its equation is I RMS by I average. So first we can find average value. So, from the figure, it is clear that it is a symmetrical wave. That is from 0 to 4, it is having the positive half cycle. 4 to 8, there is negative half cycle symmetrically. So, since the waveform is symmetrical, by theory, we know that the average value will be 0. So, in order to find or in order to obtain into an equation, we are considering only half cycle and we are finding equation by considering t is equal to t by 2 equal to 4. Okay, so that is the first thing we want to specify while writing answer. Okay, only half cycle, we want to consider only half cycle. Then first we can consider the half cycle here. Half cycle is considered here and here we can see that we can find area, we can find average value by two ways. Either area under curve by time period or integral 0 to t I of t dt by t. Okay. First we can consider the finding of average value by the equation area under curve by time period. Area under curve by time period. For that, first we can consider the area of curve. We can see that here the area are A1, A2 and A3. That is a triangle, then a rectangle, then we are having again a triangle. That is right angle triangle itself. Okay. So if it is right angle triangle, we can make use of the equation half BH, and for the rectangle we can use L into B. So half BH into L into B plus half BH. So you will obtain the sum of areas A1 plus A2 plus A3 as 30. Okay. So by that way you can obtain the area. Once area is obtained, area by time period is 4. So and we can find RMS value by we can find average value by doing 30 by 4 is equal to 7.5. Okay, then or we can formulate equation for each interval and then we can find equation by using the equation 1 by t integral 0 to t I of t dt. For that we are considering t is equal to t by 2 equal to 4. Then to find the equation I of t between 0 and 1, we can see that the this between 0 and 1, it is a line. Okay, this is a line, and to find the equation for the line, we are having y equal to mx plus c. So, where m is slope of line and c is y-intercept, and slope of line is given by the equation y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and c is equal to y-intercept. Then to find the slope, before finding the slope and y-intercept, we want to mark the coordinates first. So the coordinates is marked here, that is 0 0 1.0 at this point is 3 comma 0 and this point it is 4 comma 0. So you can, that is x comma y of every point can be marked. Coordinates has to be marked first. Then we are going to find the equation first between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1, first it is this 0 and 1 interval. The waveform is a line. So the coordinates are starting point and ending point of coordinate, starting and ending coordinates are 0, 0 and 1, 10. That is noted here. Then, so what is m? M is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 10. Then to find C, y-intercept, we can consider any of these coordinates 0, 0 or 1, 0, and then any of these coordinates we can consider 1 point, 0 coordinate here. Then substitute in y equal to mx plus c. For x and y, you can substitute 1 and 10. X equal to 1, y equal to 10. So here the equation become 10 equal to 10 into 10 is y-intercept we are already obtained here, that 10 into 1 plus c. So we will obtain as c is equal to 0. So our equation become y equal to mx plus c. Y means what is given in y axis. X means what is given in y axis. We know that y means what is given in y axis and x means what is given in x axis. So we know here that this y axis is I of t. So I of t equal to y equal to mx. M is 10 already obtained. Then x is t, that is x axis is t plus c is 0. So your equation is I of t equal to 10t plus 0, which is equal to I of t equal to 10t. Okay, that is the equation is obtained as y equal to mx plus c. So we are having y is equal to I of t, that is y axis component. M is already given as 10. Then x is t, x axis component. Then c is equal to 0. So we had obtained the equation. Then between 1 and 3 we can see that it is constant at 10. Between 1 and 3 it is constant at 10. So 1 and 3 it is constant at 10. So between interval 1 and 3 it is 10. Then between 3, 4 the coordinates is 3, 10, 4, 0. Okay. Then m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Similarly, which we found from 1 to 2. Okay, then it is minus 10 here. To find c, consider 3, 10. That is any of the coordinates 3, 10 or 4, 0. Any coordinates can be considered. So to find c, consider 3, 10. Substitute in y equal to mx plus c. So we know that what is x here? 3. What is y here? 10. So 10 is equal to minus 10 into 3 plus c. So c equal to 10 plus 30 equal to 40. And to find I of t, so I of t is substituting the y equal to mx plus c. That is I of t is equal to y means I of t minus 10t is minus 10 is m. Then minus 10t plus 40, that is y-intercept. So 10 into 4 minus t is the equation. So you had obtained equation for the interval 0 to 1 it is 10t, 3 to 1 it is 10, then between 3 and 4 it is 10 into 4 minus t. Okay. So we can find average by 1 by t integral 0 to t I of t dt. T equal to t by 2 equal to 4. So I average is 1 by 4 integral 0 to 4 I of t dt. So you want to integrate at each interval. Okay. That is 1 by 4 integral 0 to 1 10 t dt. Okay, you can integrate it, and then after integrating you will obtain the equation as 7.5 ampere. Okay. So this is about finding the average value. So you can find average value either by equation 1 by t integral 0 to t I of t dt, or by finding the area under curve by time period. Okay, you can use any of these methods to find average value. Next is about RMS value. here RMS value also for a symmetrical wave, the IRMS of a full cycle equal to IRMS for half cycle. If you are finding IRMS with time period 8 and you are finding for that much interval, the answer obtained for IRMS of a full cycle will be equal to IRMS of a half cycle for a symmetrical wave. So we are considering here T is equal to T by 2 equal to 4. You can write this condition or write this sentence while you are answering for answering, because your equation is 1 by t integral 0 to t I of t square dt. So you want to specify why you are considering t by 2 or your t is 4. Why you are considering so? That has to be specified in your answer. Okay. So IRMS equal to root of 1 by t integral 0 to t I of t square dt. We are considering t is equal to 4 here. So for every interval, you can see here, that is from 0 to 1, it is we had found equation for each interval, that is 0 to 1 we are 0 to 1 we are having 10 t, 1 to 3 we are having 10, 3 to 4 we are having 10 into 4 minus t. Okay, so for IRMS also you can substitute, that is squared value has to be substituted here. Then one thing you want to be careful is here it is 10 square into 4 minus t square. So a minus b square has to be applied here, and then you will obtain this equation like this. So you can substitute, then substitute for proper interval, and you will obtain as 8.159. Okay, so this is about RMS value. And once you are obtained average and RMS value form factor is that is RMS by average value, that is 8.159 by 7.5 equal to 1.087. Okay, so that is about RMS value. Then while finding RMS value, you want, if the waveform is not symmetrical, that is from this waveform it is clear that the waveform is symmetrical, so only we are considering time period as 4. Otherwise, if the waveform is somewhat different in positive and negative half cycle, you want to consider the time interval as 8 itself, and you want to write equation for each interval, that is for this 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, again 4 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8. In this case also we can do so. If you are finding if you are taking time interval as 8 and you are finding equation for this each interval, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 intervals, you will be obtaining the same answer as 8.16. So only we are for simplifying the steps, we are doing only half cycle, since the answer obtaining for RMS is same. Okay, this is about today's solutions. I will be coming with more solutions. Thank you.